Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can clean up your storage on Google Photos, for example, if you'd like to add some new space or clean up some space in your storage so that you may store more photos or items in your library. It's actually super simple, guys. So what you want to do is access Google Photos through the web application. Make sure that you're logged in with the associated Google account. And here on Google Photos, what you want to do, guys, is pay attention to that statistic or metric here on the left hand side at the bottom of that panel. So what you will see here is how much MB or GB you're currently using out of your storage. As you can see, it's around 800 MB so far out of 15 GB available. So to make some space, guys, all you will need to do is simply clean up your library. You may do that by simply left clicking on the given item and by or photo, and by clicking on trash icon in the top right corner to move it to the trash folder. However, guys, you may also do this a little bit faster by simply accessing your storage settings. To do that, click on that gear icon in the top right corner, and from here click on manage storage there, just like that. And here you may, for example, scroll down a bit and click on clean up Gmail as well as Drive, or review items here to the right, to delete more of these items from your Google Photos account, just like that. Wait for a brief moment. And after that, you will be redirected to your storage overview. As you can see, I'm currently using only 5% of my storage. But if I'd like to decrease that storage usage, for example, from 5% to 1%, I will be given the opportunity to do that by deleting, for example, items from Google Drive, Gmail, or Google Photos, which is currently taking up to 45 MB. To do that, scroll down a bit, and here it says clean up by service. Select the given service, which in this case here would be Google Photos. So let me go with that one. And yeah, simply select all the photos or items you would like to delete, like, for example, large photos, unsupported video files, and so on and so forth, by simply left clicking on it here in the top left corner and by selecting move to trash here. And that's it, guys. You may confirm that by clicking on that, by selecting that checkbox and by clicking on move to trash here. And that is going to clean up some of your storage. As you can see in this case here, you get 10 MB back. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.